Kesana tatapang lukaku, kering gendepetku, keluguran dekat kasih, agiasan ang mimiwasku, lalu memanas sakitku, keluguran dekat itemu. Pinabingan na panginiso, nung malyari mo pinakita na kapliso, ni kailan mamalyari, adwa ka namang magsabi, yung kaluguran na kapilang beses ko ang sinabi, ikwayo nang may gawani, ikwayo may kalas, ikwayo na rin na sila, yung puso ay alas, sinapak niya mong balas, yung puso kong may di, hindi na nasuka, kadyo panayati, lumbalo mo sana, wala gawang kulli, ay nisabyung ko na kaluguran na kasi, lumiko lumawot, lalo kumalasakit, basta ikasaya ka, at nagkamalasakit, ngayon ang buri mo, apanagdaman ko, kaya kumarin manamdaman ko, tama din, patawinan ko, ang mga palwa ko, uling alana kung lupanan ang papawal ko. Ito sana tatapang luka ko, kering gendepet ko, kaluguran dekat kasih, agiasan ang mimiwas ko, lalo memanas sakit ko, kaluguran dekat itemu.
Huwag kang magtaka kung ito'y nakakaka, papigilin niya dahil mahal kita, kalukuran na ka at yung malasakit ko, palo mo para sa'kin napakasakit, mas makakabuti na ako'y umiwas dahil sa ayoko masaktan, ayokong mabalisa, mas mabuting mag-isa kahit maparalisa, di mapakalisa, sitwasyon ko na sa arkabyadong kalagayan, gusto ko laging tagayan, bakit di mo ko damayan, halika ako'y tagayan, hanggang sa'ko'y malasing at tuluyang mapraning, pag natulog ako neng, sana di na magising, ayoko ko na ganito, ayoko na ganyan, ayoko na makita, baka lalong masaktan, ayoko umiyak, ubus na aluwa ko, kaya paalam na mahal ako na alalayo.
Ito sana tatapang luka ko, kering gendepet ko, kaluguran dekat kasih, agiasan ang mimiwas ko, lalo memanas sakit ko, kaluguran dekat itemu.
The feeling within this tune, you could be feeling the feeling too. You could be so in LOVEDT, she has a boy. This girl has got this kid's heart, but this kid has not got hers. Somebody else already took it just because he had came first. But I'm not just gonna stay here and do nothing at all about it. I don't shout shit, I write lyrics, go to the studio, I can mouth it. She said he loves her so much, but mine is times 1,000. Rhymes I could write a trillion, sing to her up on a mountain. I had a vision of me and her married, now I can't get over her. I don't know why I won't leave my mind, a supernatural girl. In fact, you know what, yo, I think she's an angel. I really want us to be together, but I don't think I'm able to. Anything is possible, I like her more than myself. I like her and it's distracting me and also my health. I can't sleep well, cause I'm always thinking of her. I can't sit down or relax, cause I'm waiting for my turn.
Ito sana tatapang luka ko, kering gendepet ko, kaluguran dekat kasih, agiasan ang mimiwas ko, lalo memanas sakit ko, kaluguran dekat itemu.
Paalam ang lumalabas sa aking labi, sa lahat ng nangyari sa akin mo na isisi. Mahal kita ngunit kailangan lang, pagkat di nakayanan ng mga hadlang. Ikaw ang unang bumitaw at iniwan ako, luhay ko matak, bakit ba nagkaganito? Sumabay sa ulan ang pagpatak ng aking luha, sana ay kayapat kita. Huwag mo sanang limutin ang pag-ibig na inalay ko, dahil minamahal kita kahit ako'y lumalayo. Sana alam mo nasasaktan ako, dahil minamahal kita.
Just with the man.